day 2 in Arizona. If you guys missed the last video, we went to the Logo open house meet. So much fun so far. So we got some plans on shooting some content. And yeah, we're gonna kick it with the boys over at the warehouse once again. I'm excited. It's always a vibe hanging out with them. It's always a vibe too, just like being in Arizona, something different, you know, from California. So any chance I'm up here, gotta kick it with the boys from Logo. I was thinking about it earlier, driving this thing around town in Phoenix, Arizona. And I'll just, oh shoot, got an FRS, bro. Crazy, because I've taken this car so many places. Like it hit me. I was like, dude, I'm literally driving my FRS, like the car that started the channel, like 5 hours away from home in a different city with 150,000 miles. Blows my mind at how many places this car has taken me. I don't know, like I've just gone through so much with this car. I don't even know what I'm like trying to say. Thankful of where this car has come and where it has taken me. Just to be in a different state, you know, kicking it with all my internet friends. It's just so awesome. This car just does not sit. It has so many miles, but it's just cool being in a different city, exploring and experiencing things in this FRS. Dude, there's like this sick tunnel in downtown Phoenix. I'm gonna go through it right now, try to make some pops. Oh shoot! All right, well, we made it back to Logo. We actually have the FRS up on jack stands. They're actually hooking it up with a Logo kit for the FRS. We're actually filming some content later on for their upcoming drop next week. So, and actually Austin is about to test fit my wheels on his car. He really wants to see what it looks like on his 86. So while the car is up in the air, we're actually gonna take my wheels off and put it on this just to see what it looks like. His current setup is Blitz. Dude, these things look so sick with the freaking meaty tire. Got the R888s. I don't know, I honestly don't think my wheels are gonna fit. We're gonna see right now because my wheels are actually super aggressive. But oh shoot, damn, I got a kicker in here too. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with Austin's car. I show this thing so much while I'm up here, but it's got the P&L turbo kit. Thing is crazy, makes like 600 horsepower. Yeah, we got the boys cleaning up the FRS right now.
Our main thing that we do here is like FRSs.
Yeah.
So this install is gonna take us about like 45 minutes.
That's crazy. I literally took like 4 hours for mine.
Hey, you look familiar. Aren't you that guy from Haggard Garage?
Alright, so my SSRs, from what I remember, I think it's 18 by 11, -30. I'm pretty, oh yeah, I got the specs right here. Oh, -45. Oh shoot, 18 by 11, -45. What are yours?
I have no idea because we built them to the kit.
So his are, you said 18 by 11 though, right?
12.
Oh, 18 by 12? I don't know, we'll see. Oh my gosh.
Your kit's so much wider than mine.
Yeah, these second gen kits are not, they're wide, but they're not as aggressive. I mean, but look at it from the side like this.
That's crazy.
Dude, it looks so good, like matching with the carbon.
Idea of like what another color or something.
Dude, that color would be it. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like with all the carbon.
I've been thinking about new wheels lately, so.
That looks so good. It's impossible. Jeez. It's gonna be so sunken in.
It's actually not that bad. Because you don't really have much spacer.
Yeah. Dude, that's so different.
Chrome on the green.
So good.
Chrome on the green was hard.
That's so different. I'm not used to like seeing chrome in my car.
When he transitions,
Because it's gonna be open scenery to.
well, it's gonna be him.
Well, because if you had
It's a meeting?
Meeting.
Conference meeting?
Bro, like
car.
filming meeting.
For a split second, like hold there, then.
that makes total sense.
But how does my car sound like again? No, my car. Alright guys, so the install is officially done on the FRS. So right now we're actually fighting the sunset. We have to get a whole bunch of rollers and stuff, like I said, for their new logo drops. Now it's time for some content. We got Austin with us, and also Jordan is taking out his first gen BRZ. So we're gonna have all the 86's out. It's so freaking sick seeing them out.
when shit gets like really stressful.
This is
we have one
serious,
shot.
yeah.
We have one shot.
I think it's so sick, man. All right, we gotta go though. We're fighting sunset. we got the walkie-talkies out to communicate, and this should be freaking sick. I'm excited. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're from California, it is such a different car scene, bro. Like in other states where car mods are like legal. We got a hood exit, like turbo 86, no problem whatsoever. Crazy. Dude, man. You freaking hurt my ear, bro. Right there. Jeez. But nah, this is a vibe, bro. Sunset, Arizona, cruising with like the sickest freaking 86's. Like, dude, it doesn't get any better than this, honestly. I feel like you guys love like cruising videos, like, you know, just like doing random stuff with like car people. I feel like this is a vibe right here, like sunset cruising, just 86's, like, bro, like, it's literally the best. Guys, I have no gas to, oh my gosh, and it's literally about to get dark, so I'm hoping, I'm fingers crossed we don't run into any issues. Dude, I gotta get some flame shots later, bro, for your car.
When it gets dark, yeah.
That thing sounds so crazy, dude.
It's loud.
Guys, this is intense, bro, like filming behind the scenes. How was it, bro?
Pretty good.
Damn, that's so clean.
Yeah. Yo. An awesome fall.
So smooth.
Oh my
Ooh.
god.
Came out sick, huh?
Oh
Heck
my,
yeah.
dude, it's so stressful because what people don't realize is one,
That was intense,
we're battling time. Time is
Yeah.
our worst enemy because we film right at sunset.
Yeah, and then traffic too, like no cars. Yeah, that's
there's
crazy.
motorcycles, U-turns.
Jeez.
Our turning radius isn't good.
It's so stressful.
That was
People don't-
intense.
Every shoot that we do is like,
Yeah,
I feel like a lot-
hard pounding, okay, game plan.
A lot of people think it's just like, oh, whip out the phone, but nah, there's like a game plan, huh? Like,
take pics. Like, no, we.
It's like
bro,
a whole
you
strategy.
killed it.
Yeah.
Dude,
You gotta come
did
spend more
great.
time with
I
us.
know, dude, that was such a vibe.
My first
bro.
time shooting with them, I messed up a lot of stuff. They're like, no, you gotta do this. Like, so you did good.
No,
That
you
was
did
a
really
vibe,
good. Like
bro.
the biggest thing is the filming truck here, and your distance was perfect.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, back a little bit, then you got it.
Yeah.
And I was like, boom, let's go.
Bro, the FRS looks crazy. Like everything green. Got the green tails on, got the green underglow. Bro, this looks insane, dude. Guys, we're 22, look. Got Drew with the merch on? Damn. I think you're the first person to, or you guys are the first people to get it. Literally, I just dropped it yesterday. You guys
you did,
have it
yeah.
on already. It's sick. Dude, I'm stressing so hard right now. Look how low I am. Oh my gosh, bro. I seriously need gas so bad right now. I told him to put it in the gas station, but I literally don't know where it's at. I'm sweating right now. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. I don't think I'm gonna make it, guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. Like, I'm literally, oh my gosh, bro, I'm so low right now. Like, no joke. Oh my gosh, dude. Please be a gas station over here. All right, I'm running out of gas, bro. I'm running right here. Oh shoot, got Elon over there. Got the rocket over there. You guys see it? Oh, that thing is so crazy, man. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Weight that is just taking off my shoulders right now. Oh, I didn't think we were gonna make it, man.
You're on 91?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how good Safeway gas is. Best thing ever, bro. This is like every car guy's dream. Not dream, but like just favorite time is just kicking it with the homies like this. It doesn't get any better than this. I love Arizona. Should I move here? Such a good time. Shout out to the boys over from Low for being so welcoming every time I come to Arizona. You know, hooking up the cars with the kids and just being a part of, you know, just stuff like this, like shooting their content. Is that, bro?
Yeah, so we did Capriso downpipes, Capriso
downpipe and
full
cab?
exhaust. It's catalyst. Yeah.
Oh, callus?
Yeah, and it still has a huge muffler too.
Jeez, that's wild.
It's not even close to straight pipes.
Oh, that is a big muffler.
Yeah.
Hey, you're
bro?
watching this behind the scenes. Just trust the vision.
Look at this. They got me in a freaking disco ball suit.
Yo, Chris is never hanging out with us ever again.
That was behind the scenes. We're doing a little reel. If it's done by then, I'll put it right here on the screen. But a little BTS.
It's gonna be fun.
Bro, this is gonna be fun.
Shout out to Drew for letting me borrow the Louis V glasses. Yeah.
Dude, I smile.
Oh my god. No pressure, bro. No pressure.
Oh, it's fine. I do this all the time.
3, 2, 1.
He opens it. Oh my gosh.
And then it flips to the cars on the street.
He goes, oh my gosh, and then a back clip in the briefcase, the logo kit, flips down, rollers.
When I introduce you to you right now. Oh my God, baby. Well, alright. Tryna fight.
We talked about this for a while since the inception of the podcast.
This is like the first special guest that we actually.
Alright, well, we just finished up the podcast. That was super fun. First time in person doing a podcast, and it was super cool, man. How do you think it came out?
It was awesome. Episode should be out pretty soon. This was our first guest in general. We have a bunch of people lined up, but we wanted Chris to be the first.
That's
yeah,
awesome,
little
man.
BTS on our
Kinda.
podcast studio.
Little-
Got a ton of lights.
So cool.
Trying to make it as official as possible. So
Yeah.
the episode is right here. We're gonna get editing, and you guys have to check it out. Some hard questions.
A lot of questions,
We talked
dude.
about some stuff that most people wouldn't typically know about Chris or me
Yeah.
and Jordan. So yeah, you guys have to check it out.
Heck yeah, dude. Appreciate you so much.
Yeah, appreciate you, dog.
This pretty much honestly concludes like our trip in Arizona. We're pretty much gonna head back. It was so fun just being here, being able to kick it with them, and attending their like open house here that we had a couple days ago. So it's always a blast being here. I love Arizona, to be honest. Like the few times we've gone, it's just been so much fun just kicking it with everybody. Let me know some cities we should go to next. I know we're definitely thinking of other shows to hit up. Potentially Ohio, slammed enough. We'll see.
But that was a lot of fun. We talked
Good.
about business, a little bit more in depth on Chris, because like I told Chris on the podcast, like this man was a hard man to like get some information on. So I'm just gonna ask him a bunch of questions just so like we can get to like know like Chris a little bit more. So I think if you want to know more about Chris, definitely check out the podcast.
Gonna miss this, guys. Not gonna lie. Until next time, man. I'm gonna miss this so much. Always love being here in Arizona. It's always a vibe, man.